Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app supports split screen because not every application allows two-pane work. Open the main app you want on the left. Keep it active so the system recognizes it as primary. Once done, invoke the multitask or recent apps view. This step exposes split screen controls. Make sure to position the device in a stable orientation. Many interfaces change options when rotated. Now locate the explicit split screen or drag to top handle. That is the control that begins the pairing process. Next, pick the second app you want to display. You can drag it from the recent list or tap it from the app drawer, depending on the OS. Place it into the exposed half so both apps render simultaneously. Once both apps are visible, adjust the divider to the preferred ratio, 1/2 for editing or more space for viewing. Make sure to test touch and keyboard focus. Some apps seize input, so switch focus deliberately. If needed, enable app-specific multitasking options for smoother interaction. To finish, lock the layout by fixing orientation or enabling a freeform multitasking mode. This prevents accidental rearrangement. When you're done, dismiss split screen by dragging the divider fully to one edge or closing either app. This returns you to single app view. If the split doesn't initialize, restart the problematic app, verify it has necessary permissions, and make sure the OS is up to date. One key troubleshooting tip: if dragging fails, use the dedicated split screen menu command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.